So this is Plarail or Annie, and this is the prototype that fits right into that chassis. And I want to know, it's a prototype, not finished. We're halfway done. Still to do some improvement. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this prototype? Yes, almost there. Finishing some details. By the way, this is Emily's coach or passenger car. Only came in the Backman. Wasn't available to Trackmaster. Still need to be some upgrades, touch-ups, and will be ready, available soon. Very soon. Very soon. What do you think?